used predefined packages like java.lang, java.util, and java.io. So these packages already we have used. So now in this class we will discuss how do we create user-defined packages. Okay. See, previously we used predefined packages. So in this class we will see how to create user-defined packages on our own. Okay, predefined packages are created by some people now. Like that, we will create our own packages. Okay, and now I will explain what is a package first. So a package is nothing but a collection of classes and interfaces. Already we know about classes and interfaces. Okay, now what we will do is, now we will take one package. In that package, we will put the classes and interfaces. Okay, we know how to create a class and how to create an interface now. First we create some classes and some interfaces. After that, okay, you put them in one package. That is the concept of package. So a package is nothing but a collection of classes and interfaces. Okay, and now coming to packages, we have two types of packages. Okay, classes are of two types, interfaces are of two types. Like that, packages are also of two types. What are the two types of packages we have? Predefined packages and user-defined packages. Okay, already we used predefined packages. Now we will discuss user-defined packages in depth. Okay, so we have two types of packages. They are predefined packages and user-defined packages. Predefined packages are created by some people or Java developers, and user-defined packages are created by the programmers. Now coming to the predefined packages, this is the hierarchy. So Java is the main package. Here inside one package, we can put sub-packages also, in addition to classes and interfaces. Already explained, package is a collection of classes and interfaces. No, means inside package, we can put classes, interfaces, and sub-packages also. Okay, a package consists of classes, interfaces, and sub-packages. Okay. Now coming to the predefined packages. In predefined packages, Java is the main package. So under main this Java, we have sub-packages like lang, io, util, applet, awt. These are sub-packages of the main package Java. Okay, so inside one package, we can put sub-packages also like this. So if you see, Java is the main package. So inside the main package Java, we have the sub-packages like lang, io, util, applet, awt. Okay, this and so on. Okay, we can put any number of sub-packages in the main package. Next, inside this sub-package, we can put any number of classes and interfaces. Because package is a collection of classes and interfaces, no? So inside the sub-package, we can put any number of classes and interfaces. Here, how do I access this lang package? Because it is a sub-package of the main package Java, no? So use the dot operator to access the members of this sub-package. So here inside this sub-package lang, we have the class string. Already you know string class, system class, object class, like that, thread class, and this is an interface, runnable. Runnable is an interface. In 4th unit, I will explain in depth about thread class and runnable interface. Okay. Now here lang is a sub-package which consists of the predefined classes and interfaces. Okay. Now how do I access the members of this sub-package lang is, we have to use this main package only. So how do I access it? Java.lang.star means all these are imported to your program. If you write import java.lang.star, already explained the default statement which is available for each and every program is import java.lang.star. What does it mean, java.lang? Now you cannot see. This is Java is the main package and the lang is the sub package of this main package. and inside this subpackage we have the predefined classes and interfaces. So when you write import java.lang.star, then we can access all these classes and interfaces of this subpackage lang. That's why in each and every program, the first statement is import java.lang.star. This is the default statement which is available for each and every program, whether you write or not. If you won't write, compiler will add this as the first statement for your program. So what is the default package which is available for all Java programs is java.lang. We are using import. Import is a keyword. Okay, using import keyword, we are getting all the predefined classes and interfaces of this java.lang package to our program, or in our program we can use them directly. If you write import java.lang.star. So here if you see, here already we have in each and every program we are using system class now. System.out.println. Okay, to print a statement in Java program, we have to use system.out.println. So in each and every program we are using system class now. How we are using this system class in our class? Okay, using the statement import java.lang.star means all the classes and interfaces of this java.lang package are imported to our program. That's why directly we can use all the predefined classes and interfaces of java.lang package in our program. That is the purpose of writing import java.lang.star. Like that, in the Java package, we have subpackages like IO, util, applet, AWT. So already explained in java.io package, we have buffered reader and buffered writer classes. Okay, I have explained buffered reader class now. So buffered reader class is available in java.io package. That's why whenever you use buffered reader class in your program, you must import java.io.star or import java.io.bufferedreader. Okay. Next, already explained the util package also, because we have used scanner class also to take the input through keyboard. We have used bufferedreader class and scanner class. So scanner class is a predefined class which is available in java.util package. That's why when you want to use scanner class in your program, you must import java.util.star or import java.util.scanner. If you want to use only one class in your program, you can write import java.util.scanner. Okay. Next, similarly, applet is a subpackage of the main package Java. Inside applet package or inside java.applet package, we have the applet class. In the 5th unit, we will study applets and strings. There you can understand this predefined class applet and this predefined package java.applet. In AWT also, in the 5th unit, we will use this package also. So AWT is also a subpackage of Java. So these are the frequently used subpackages of the main package Java. That's why if you use directly java dot or import lang.star means it is error. Why? Because it is a subpackage of this main package Java. That's why whenever you want to use lang package, you need to access this subpackage with the main package only. You can't use the subpackages directly. Okay, but you can write import java.star. Means Java is the main package. But in the main package, they have not kept any predefined classes and interfaces. Only in the subpackages of this main package Java, they have kept the predefined classes and interfaces. That's why whenever you want to use predefined packages, all the predefined, most of the predefined packages are the subpackages of the main package Java. That's why whenever you want to access IO or util or applet or AWT or lang, you need to write or you must write import java.lang.star or import java.io.star, import java.util.star, like that we have to access the sub packages of the main package Java. So this structure is about predefined packages. Now coming to the user defined packages. Now we will see user defined packages. So first, how do we write the user defined package, and what is the syntax for writing user defined package? I will explain. Okay, already you know a package consists of sub packages, classes and interfaces. Okay, now this is the syntax for creating a package. So like class and interface, package is a keyword. So package and package name. So this syntax is similar to classes and interfaces. Class, class name, interface, interface name. Like that package, package name. Okay. You know package is a keyword and package name is an identifier. You can take the package name using the rules of identifiers. Okay, you know the rules for identifiers, no? So as per the rules of identifiers, we will take the package name. But the naming conventions for classes and interfaces are the first letter of the first word must be capital, no? But here the package name is only with lowercase letters. The first letter of the first word is also lowercase. Means all lowercase letters only we use for writing package names. This is the naming convention for writing package name. Okay. Next, how do we create packages? Package is a keyword, lowercase. Next, package name. Here my package name is pack1. Okay, pack1 is the package name. It is an identifier followed by you must put semicolon. This is the syntax for package creation. So package name which ends with the semicolon. So inside under this package we can put any number of classes and interfaces, no? Like that's why the syntax for creating a user defined package is, so package name. Here I have taken one class A and class B, two classes and two interfaces I have taken. So here under this interface, under this package, we have two classes A and B and two interfaces I1 and I2. So this is the syntax of package creation or user defined package. How do we create? Means using this syntax. First, package is a keyword, package name is an identifier which must end with semicolon. Inside this package I can put any number of classes and interfaces. Next, coming to the structure of Java program. So how do we write the Java programs? Using these two structures only we will write Java programs. Okay, and now I will explain the rules for writing the structure of a Java program. So the first rule is there should be at most one package statement in the program. Means whenever you write Java programs, if you want to take package, okay, or if you want to create your user defined package, there must be at most one package statement. At most means, you know, less than or equal to 0, no? Less than or equal to 0 means no, package statement is optional, and other one is if it is there, it must be only one. That's why either 0 or 1. So there should be at most one package statement in the program. Next, the package statement must be the first non-comment statement. Means before the here must first non-comment statement means always the package statement must be the first statement, and it must also be the first non-comment statement. Means before package name we can write comment statement. That's why first you write inside the Java program you can write any number of comments followed by first write package statement. So the package statement must be the first non-comment statement. This is the second rule. Okay, there must be at most one package, that is rule 1. There must be the package statement must be the first non-comment statement. Next, after package statement we can write any number of import statements. Okay, first statement is package statement. After the package statement we can write any number of import statement, but package statement must be either 0 or 1, but import statements can be any number. Okay, first write package statement followed by any number of import statements. Next, fourth one is after import statements we can write any number of classes and interfaces. Okay, so these are the 4 rules we must remember while writing the Java programs. Now with these 4 rules, I will explain structures of Java programs. Here we have 2 structures to write Java programs. This is structure 1. See here, package statement must be the first non-comment statement now. So before this package statement, we can write any number of comment statements. So that's why here in structure 1, I have taken first comment statement followed by package statement. So the package statement must be the first non-comment statement. Okay, after that, we can write after package statement, we can write any number of import statements. That's why import java.lang.star. This is the default statement which is provided by the compiler. Next, these two we have to write explicitly. So here after package statement, I have taken 3 import statements. Next, after that, I can write any number of classes and interfaces. So this is the structure of the Java program. Next, coming to this structure, so package statement is optional now. So we can have, what is the rule? This one, first rule, there should be at most one package statement. At most one means 0 or 1. So here, if you see this structure 1, here we have only one package statement. That must be the first non-comment statement. Here if you see this structure, here no package statement. It is also correct now, because at most one means either 0 or 1. So here only one, here no package statement. This is also correct. If you observe the previous programs, there is no package statement now in all the programs. So without package statement also we can write programs in Java. So this is the second structure. Here first there is no package statement now. So that's why I start with import statements. So here I have 2 import statements followed by any number of classes and interfaces. So package statement is optional. If you want to create your own packages, then only use the package statement. Otherwise, if you don't want to use any packages, if you don't want to use or if you don't want to create packages, then use this structure. So till now we have used this structure only. First write import statements. Import statements can be any number followed by any number of classes and interfaces. This structure we have used till now. Now we have to practice this structure. Till now we don't know how to write packages now, or how to write user-defined packages now. Now I will explain how do we write our own packages. Okay. Now this is this syntax we use. Now rules for writing packages. This is also very important rule. So if multiple classes are there in a package, because package is a collection of classes and interfaces now, definitely multiple classes will be there in the package. So if multiple classes are there in the package, then there should be only one public class. Suppose if you want to take public class inside the package, it should be only one. Okay, and this public class no need to take also, it is optional. If you want to take your class or if you want to make your class as public, then there must be only one public class, and the name of the, if public class is there in the package, the name of the file or program must be same as the name of the public class. This is the rule we should follow. Now again I am repeating. Suppose I am creating one package like this, package pack1. This is my package, means my package name is pack1. Okay, how do we create packages? Package is a keyword, pack1 is an identifier, ends with a semicolon. And now I want to create my own package with the name pack1. So inside this package pack1, I want to put or I want to place any number of classes and interfaces. No? Now any number of classes means when you want to take multiple classes, then if you want to use for one class public access modifier, then we have to use or we have to take only one class as public inside one package. Understood this concept? Okay. Inside this package pack1, I can place any number of classes and interfaces. But okay, if you take any number of classes, okay, out of all those classes, there must be only one class which must be declared as public. Means What does it mean? What does it mean is we can't take more than one public class inside one package. We can't take more than one public class inside one package. Suppose next, if you want to take only one public class inside the package pack1, then in this case, how do we give the name for the program is, okay? So the file name must be same as the name of the public class name. Now I will explain here. Here package pack1, here inside this package I have taken only one public class. It must be only one, remember. So in this case, how do we save this file as? Is a.java, because the name of the file must be same as the name of the public class. That's why you must save this file with a.java. So in addition to this public class, we can keep any number of classes. Only one public class, and we can keep any number of normal classes. But you must save the file with this public class name only, that is a.java. So this is the rule. There must be only one public class inside one package. If you observe this pack1, here only one public class, that is A, and here these two are not public classes. Okay, so here inside this pack1, I have kept three classes. Inside pack1, I have kept three classes. They are A, B, C, and I have taken only one class as public, that is A. When we have classes like this, and there is a public class now, so you must save this file with a.java only. If you save with b.java or c.java, definitely you will get error. Suppose one more point is, no need to take the public class, it is not a must. So inside pack1, I will take normal classes like A, B, C. So in that case, if there is no public class in your package, then you can save your file with either a.java or b.java or c.java. In that case, no problem. But if there is public class in your package, in that case you must save your file with a.java only. That is the rule we must follow. There must be only one public class. If you want to take public class, when public class is there in your package, you must save the file with that public class name, that is a.java, since A is public class. Now we will see how do we write our packages and how do we save, compile and execute. And now this is the simple user defined package. So package pack1. Okay. Now inside this pack1, I am putting only one class, and I have made that class as public. So public class A, inside this class A we have to write main method now. So inside the main method I am writing only system.out.println hello package. Now this is my user defined package. Name of this package is pack1. Inside that I have only one class public. Okay. Now how do we save this file? Already explained the rule now. If there is public class in your package, you must save the file with that public class name only. That's why I will save this file or program as a.java. Okay, that A is the name of the public class. After that, how do we compile the packages? This is very, very important. Follow carefully. Java C minus D dot, here dot is there. So Java C minus D dot minus D space dot space file name, that is a.java. So what is the meaning of this minus D and this dot is, dot represents the current directory and minus D directs all the dot class file into the package pack1. So when you compile this one, so let us take our directory is C. So inside that directory or current directory, one folder is created with name pack1, and inside that folder pack1 a.class file is stored, because we can't use A directly because the class A is kept under the package pack1. So with this pack1 only this A can be accessed. Like that's why inside the current directory one folder is created with the name pack1. Inside that pack1 a.class file is stored when you compile this program. That's why compilation is Java C minus D dot A.java. Okay. Next, how do we execute? See, remember, or you can think like this, you know folders and files concept though. So like that, take package is like folder, and classes are and interfaces are like the files. So packages are like folders and classes are like files. So whenever you compile this program, in the current directory, one folder is created for this package with the name pack1. So inside that pack1 folder, this a.class file is stored. That is the meaning of this compilation. That is javac -d dot a dot java. So inside the folder pack1 a.class file is stored. Next, how do we execute this one? Directly I can't access a.class file. No, a.class file is kept in the package pack1. No, that's why with pack1 only I can access this .class file of a. That's why java pack1.a. Okay, because when you compile this program, one folder is created with the name pack1. Inside that a.class file is stored. That's why how do I take a.class file? With the name of this folder only, no? That's why pack1.a. Here there is no full stop. So pack1.a means that .class file, a.class file is executed. A.class file is executed means what is there here in the main method of class A? Hello package. So the output of this program is hello package. So here how do we compile, how do we execute is important. Next class I will explain access modifiers in depth. Now I will only explain what are the access modifiers which are allowed for classes. So here already I explained 4 access modifiers are there, no? Private, default, protected and public. The scope of these 4 access modifiers is private is less than default, less than protected, less than public. There is no keyword for default. That's why I have put in angular brackets. Okay, if you won't write anything for a class, the access modifier of that class is default. Okay, so 4 are there: private, default, protected and public. So for classes, we can take only 2 access modifiers. They are default and public. We can't use private and protected for classes. Remember this point. So for classes, we can use only 2 access modifiers. They are default and public. We can't use private and protected access modifiers for classes. If you use private or protected access modifiers for classes, you will get compiler error. So remember, only 2 access modifiers are allowed for classes. They are default and public. We can't use private and protected. So if you want to take access modifiers for variables and methods, we can take all the 4 access modifiers: private, default, protected and public for variables and methods. So for variables and methods, we can take all the 4 access modifiers, but for classes, we can take only 2 access modifiers. They are default and public. We can't take private and protected. Okay. Now if you take, you know how to write classes, no? Previously we have written only class A or class student, class employee, class box. So what is the access modifier for these classes? Till now we have written so many programs by using classes. Now we have written only simply class student, class employee. So if you see the access modifier for this class is default. Then if you won't mention any access modifier, then that is default. By default is the access modifier. Okay. So for this class, default access modifier is there. Okay. So this is the default class. Next, if you want to take explicitly any access modifier for class, we must take only public. So public class B means the access modifier for this class B is public. I will explain in depth about access modifiers in the next class. Okay, now understand, for classes we can take only either default or public. So these 2 syntaxes are correct. Next, now coming to the programs on packages. Now we will write different programs on packages or user-defined packages. So here these are the different ways to write the programs on packages. First, how do we create a single package? Package is a collection of classes and interfaces. No? So we will write one program using single package. Already I have explained this program. Is it the program with single package? This is a program with a single package. No? Here in this program we have only one package, that is pack1. So inside pack1 I have kept one class. Okay. See, here I have used public. For this class A, I have used the access modifier public. I will explain the reason why we should take public. Okay. Now, first program is use single package or take single package and write one program. Next, using single package, we can write the program. Second one is you take two packages. Here only single package. Now, with one package only we are writing the Java program. Next, second concept is we are taking two packages. Okay, and we are importing one package into another package. So with respect to two packages and import statement, I will write the second type of package program. So import one package into another package means here two packages are required. Okay. Next, when you write the program with two packages using import statement, then here there are three ways we can write. So import all the classes of a package. Here we are importing one package into another package. Now, say when you import this package into this package, we can import all the classes of this package to this package. That is the first concept. Or we can import only some classes of this package to this package. Or we can use fully qualified name. Okay. When you want to use fully qualified name, we can use. Now I will explain programs for each of these three concepts. Okay. Next, last one is third concept is sub packages. Inside one package, we can put one more package. No, like I already explained the structure, hierarchical structure for predefined packages. Java is the main package. Under that, we have kept lang package, util package, like that. All the second level packages are the sub packages of the Java package. No, like that, we can create user defined sub packages also. So these are the three types of programs we can write with respect to packages. First, consider only one package. Next, consider two packages and import one package into another package. Next, third one is how do we write user defined sub packages like java.lang, java.util. Okay. Next, here while writing sub packages, minimum two packages. With the three packages also we can extend the hierarchy. That is Java. Next, lang. Under lang also we can take one more sub package. Like that we can extend the structure. That's why minimum two, or you can take 3, 4, 5 like that also while writing the programs for sub packages. Next, this already explained. Same program, single package. Pack1 in this I have taken A. How do we save this file? Is here we have only one class. And the class is public. So we must save the file with the public class name only. No? That's why a.java. How do we compile? Java C -d dot a.java. Okay. Next, how do we execute? Java pack1.a. Okay. Now I will explain the memory part. Suppose if you write the program without package, means let us put this in comments. Okay, put comments for this first statement, that is for package pack1, put comments. Then when you execute this program, what will happen? A.java is your file name, and when you compile this program, one .class file is created, no? And a.class file will also be there in the same directory. This is without packages. When you comment this statement, suppose when you compile and execute this program, what will happen? So here a.java in the current directory only, but when you compile this program with java c -d dot a.java, what will happen is all the classes of this package are compiled, no? And all the classes of this package are compiled, and .class files are created for each and every class of this package, and they are stored inside this package only. So all the .class files of this package are stored inside the pack1. That's why if you observe the difference between these two, you can understand more clearly about packages. See, this is without packages. This is with packages. No, when you compile the program, all the .class files of this pack1 are stored inside pack1. So here pack1, a new folder is created with name pack1. So inside pack1, all the .class files of that pack1 are stored. No, but here I have written only one class. No, that's why a.class file is stored inside pack1. Here a.class file is independent, but here a.class file is not independent. It depends on pack1 because it is stored in the package pack1. So you assume that this package is nothing but a folder and this .class file is nothing but a file. In this one here we can normally we will create folders with the new folder and we will create files with new file. No? So if I assume that the package is nothing but a folder and a.class file is nothing but a file. So inside folder we can put files, no, any number of files we can put now inside one folder. Like that inside this folder pack1 I can put any number of .class files. But here inside my package I have only one class. That's why inside the directory pack1 I have only one class, that is a.class. So a.class file is saved in the folder pack1. This is the folder, this is the file. Okay. When you execute the program, how do we execute? Suppose if it is without packages, then how do we execute? Java A. But here Java A means without packages. But here how do we execute? A.class file is there in pack1. No? That's why with this pack1 only I can access a.class file. That's why when I execute packages program, Java pack1.a. then this .class file is executed and the output is welcome to package. So this is the first package. So we can write using only one package the programs. Next, second is subpackages, not subpackages. Second is we can take two packages. Okay. So here I have not two packages. Here I have taken only single package. This is also a program on single package. Here I have taken, see what is the difference between the previous program and this program is, here this is a package which consists of only one public class. So pack1 is a package which consists of only one public class A, that's why I saved this file as a.java. Next program what I am trying to write is, inside one package I can kept any number of classes. No? So here I have taken two classes. So A, B are my classes which are there in pack1. So here these out of these two classes, I am taking class A as public because for class B you can't put public. Okay, if you want to take public for class, there must be only one public class in the package. So you can't take public for both the classes. If you take, you will get definitely compiler error. That is the rule you should follow for packages. Inside one package, we must write only one public class and we can write any number of default classes. That's why here I have written two classes and I have declared one class, that is A as public. Now here this is my package. It consists of two classes. One class is public and another class is default class. So how do we save my file? If one public class is there in your package, your file name must be a.java because A is a public class. So I will save this program with a.java. How do I compile? Java C -d dot a.java. Then what will happen? See, now understand this one. So save this file as a.java because A is a public class. Next compilation is Java C -d dot a.java. Then in the same directory, okay, one folder is created with the name pack1. So inside pack1, all the .class files are stored now. Already explained these how many classes are there inside pack1. Inside pack1, I have written two classes now. So the a.class file and b.class files are created when you compile this program. So all the .class files of this package are stored inside the folder pack1. Here in this pack1 consists of only two classes. That's why pack1, a folder is created for pack1. Inside that a dot class file and b dot class files are, both these dot class files are stored inside pack1. You assume that this is a folder and these two are files. Inside one folder we can put any number of files. Like that, inside this pack1 folder, I am putting two files. They are a dot class and b dot class. Like that, I can put any number of dot class files in the same package pack1. This is second program. First program is inside one package I am taking only one class. That's why dot class file of that package is stored inside that pack1. Next, in the second program I am taking two classes in the package pack1. That's why when you compile the program, the two dot class files, that is a dot class file and b dot class files, are saved in the folder pack1. When you want to execute the program, you can execute Java pack1.a or Java pack1.b. Both are correct. But when you execute Java pack1.b, there is no main method in class B, no? That's why you will get error, runtime error, main method not found. That's why here main method I have kept in only class here, no? That's why when you execute the program, you execute Java pack1.a. But if you execute Java pack1.b, you will get runtime error. Okay, this is second program. And now here you may get one doubt. The rule is that in packages we can put only one public class now in one package. But I want to put more number of public classes. Why? Because only public classes of a one package are imported to another package. This is one more rule with respect to two packages. You first create two packages. When you want to import, okay, the members of one package in another package, okay, that is there, no? So when you want to import the members of one package into another package, only public classes of that package are imported to another class, another package. Only public classes. But here you may get one doubt. Suppose here inside one package we are taking only one public class now. Here only one public class. The remaining, let us take, I am taking 100 classes in pack1. So out of 100 classes, I can declare only one class as public. Means only one public class, and remaining 99 classes are default classes. And one more rule is when you want to import this package into another package pack2, only public classes of pack1 are imported to pack2. Then here you may get one doubt. Only public classes of one package are imported to another package means here I can write only one public class. Only this public class is imported to another package. Then what is the use? Means remaining classes are not imported, no? When you are writing Java dot or import pack1 dot star, means all the classes of this package must be imported to this package, no? But I am saying only public classes of this package are imported to pack2. But one more rule is there must be only public class, means only this class A is imported to pack2. Then what is the use? Okay, we should write more number of public classes now in one package. But as per this package rule, we should write only one public class now. But this B is not imported to another package. So next point is what is the use if there is only one class or one public class which is imported to the another package, means there is no use, no? That's why we can write any number of public classes in one package. But in the same program we can't write. In the same program we can write only one public class. But I want to declare class B as also public under pack1. Means in the same program you cannot write. That's why if you want to write the number of public classes in one package, you take separate programs. That's it. Okay. So for each public class you have to write one separate program. Inside one program I can't take more than one public class. Okay. I can take only one public class inside one program. If you want to take multiple public classes in the same package, then take separate programs. Means if you want to write if you want to take 3 public classes under pack1, write 3 separate programs. Then automatically with the same name, if you write with the same package name, if you write 3 separate programs, then it is correct. Means under the same package, all the public classes are available. So that is the next concept. So this is program 3. So here what is there? We can put any number of public classes in the same package. Okay. For that, we need to write separate programs for each public class. Separate program for each public class. Put 2 public classes A and B in the same package pack1. We can put, but how do I put the 2 public classes in the same package pack1 is by writing 2 programs. 2 separate programs you have to write. That is this concept. Now I will explain how do we write. See package pack1. This is first package. Under this I have taken 1 public class. Okay. That is public class A. Save this file with a.java and compile and execute. Okay. Next I will take the second program. This is separate file and save this file with a.java. Okay. And take one more file and again take the package with the same name. See, if you see this name, this is pack1 no? So this is also pack1. So inside this separate file, I will write package pack1, now class B. Now save this as b.java because the file name must be same as the public class name. No? So save this file with b.java and compile and execute. So when you compile this b.java, then what will happen? b.class file is stored in the folder pack1. No? Next, when you compile, when you save this file a.java and when you compile this file, a.class file is stored in the folder pack1. So what does it mean? So folder is only one with the name pack1, but inside that folder we have 2 .class files. They are a.class and b.class. That's why like here our purpose is survival. No? So if you take see pack1 is only one directory. Under that I have a.class and b.class file. Class A is public and class B is also declared as public. Like that we can put any number of public classes in the same package, but in the same program you can't put. So if you want to take 10 public classes under one package, create 10 separate programs. Inside one program you can't put more than one public class. So with this I think you understood the concept of single package. Next, what is the second concept? Importing packages. Here you have to take 2 packages and one package can be imported into another package. This is the second concept. Here I have taken one package with pack1 name. Here under this package I have taken one class A. Okay. Next, I will take one more package pack2. Okay, see here in the same, this is only one file, remember. Inside the same file or program, I am taking 2 packages and one package is imported to another package. Means all the classes and interfaces of this package are imported to this. Means code reusability. Okay, this package 2, this is package 2, no? This pack2 wants to access all the members of pack1 without writing them. Then how do we do that one? Using import statement. This is nothing but like in inheritance we have seen code reusability now. So here also we can see code reusability. Means without writing the classes and interfaces of this pack1, if you write like import pack1 dot star, then all the classes and interfaces of this pack1 are imported to this one. Okay. Means here we can use them directly. So for this the advantage is there now. So package, first package, this is my first package. So package pack1, name of the package is pack1. Inside that I have kept only one public class A. Okay. Next after that I have taken one more package with the name pack2. So inside that see this statement. See package statement must be the first non-comment statement. Before this, if you want to write comments, you can write. But after comments, you must write only package statement. That's why this must be the first non-comment statement. After that, we can write any number of import statements. Okay. If you write the first import then package, you will get compiler error. This is the rule we should follow. First one is package statement. Then we can write any number of import statements. and there must be only one package statement we should write in one program. We can't write two package statements. So first one is package statement, then followed by any number of import statements, followed by any number of classes and interfaces. This structure we should follow while writing the programs using packages. Okay. Now this is my second package with the name pack2, and here I am importing. Already I created pack1. No? This package is created by me only. That's why I am importing all the classes and interfaces of this package into pack2. How do I import the members of pack1 into this pack2? So import pack1.a. The meaning of this one is inside pack2 I can take all the classes and interfaces of pack1. But here I can use dot star also. But why I have not written dot star means here there is only one class in pack1, no? So dot star, if you write here dot star also, only that class is imported, or class A is imported. Dot star or here dot star or dot A, both are same. Okay. So import pack1.a means this entire class is imported to here. Means here you can think like this. Under package 2 we have two classes, class A and class B. But here under package 2 I am writing only one class now. But because of this statement, the class A of pack1 is imported to this statement. So you can think in pack2 consists of two classes, class A and class B. Pack2 can use two classes, class A and class B, but pack1 can use only one class, class A. That is the advantage of writing import statement. Next, for pack2, both the classes A and B are available now. Next, one more important point is when you want to import classes, okay, of this package into this package, that class must be declared as public. Default classes of this package cannot be imported to this package. Only public classes of this pack1 are imported to this. That's why A must be declared as public. If you want to write here public, then you will get compiler error. Because if you won't write public access modifier to this class, the default one is default now. So default classes of one package cannot be imported to another package. Because of that rule, this class A must be declared as public, and that is imported to here. So in pack2 we have two classes A and B. But when you want to write class B, here no need to write public, because we are not importing pack2 into any other package now. That's why here you can write default, no error. Public we can write, default we can write. We can take only two access modifier per classes now. But here for class A, public is must. But here public is optional. Understand carefully, okay? So inside pack2 we have two classes, A and B. Now inside the class B I have written main method. See, main method I have written. Inside main method I am creating the object for class A. How can I create object for class A? Because class A is not written explicitly by the programmer, only class B he has written now. So due to this one, because of this statement, the class A is imported to this package. Here class A and class B both are available. So inside the main method of class B, I can create an object for class A, and I can access the members of class A, because class A is available to this package. Now you can understand. Okay. Now compile and execute. So if you execute this, if you compile this program, because pack2 consists of two classes, no, A and B. So here when you compile this one, so how do we save this one? Okay. B dot pack, here this is pack2, no. So here when you compile this program, a folder is created for pack2, and both A dot class, B dot class file is there actually. But when you compile this one, we have to compile this one also. Okay, here we have two separate packages now. So save this file with a.java and save this when you want to do compilation, you have to do with A and B. Okay. So next class I will show you, or now I will see. I will show you. That is in another folder. And now without using it, next what is the third one? This I will explain again. Without using import statement, we can implement or we can use by using fully qualified name. So here without, don't write this one. Now third concept is you can use fully qualified names to import one class of one package into another package. Fully qualified name means so if you don't write this one or put in comments. So instead of that, use fully qualified name when you want to create object for class A. So what is the fully qualified name? pack1.a, because A is available in pack1 now. That's why pack1.a. A is equal to new pack1.a. Instead of this object creation, here write this statement. In this case, don't write this import pack1.a. So without writing this import statement, that is import pack1.a, directly I can use this statement in place of this. This is nothing but fully qualified name. Fully qualified name is nothing but A. The class A is there in which package? Pack1 no. That's why I can access this A with pack1. That's why here I will write instead of this statement pack1.a. Here only A no. Now here I will write pack1.a. A is equal to new pack1.a. Okay. In that case, no need to write this import statement. So this is the third way. Tomorrow I will explain in depth again. Next program on sub packages. How do we create sub packages? So take one package pack1. Okay, here I have written only one class. Inside that I have written main method. This is my main package. Next, how do we create sub package? This is the sub package syntax. So package, pack1 is the main package. You know dot for dot no? Java.lang dot. Okay, java.lang. Lang is the sub package, Java is the main package. No? So how do we create user defined sub packages is using this syntax. That is package pack1.pack2. Means pack2 is a sub package of the main package pack1. We have to use dot. This is the main package, this is the sub package. First we should create main package. After that, under that we have to create sub package. Like that we can extend this one. Suppose pack3 I will take, that should be a sub package of pack2. How do I write pack1.pack2.pack3? Like that I can extend this chain. Okay. Now here I have taken only two sub packages, not two packages. One is the main package and another one is sub package. Here my main package is pack1 and my sub package is pack2. Okay. Now what is the syntax for writing sub package is this one. So package, pack1 is the main package, dot, pack2 is the sub package, ends with semicolon. Okay. Next. So under this sub package pack2, this is the sub package pack2. So under this sub package pack2, I will write only one class, that is P. Okay. Next, how do we compile this one? Save b.java. This is b.java. So Java C -d, put dot here, -d space dot space. So Java C -d dot b.java means dot class file is created for class B no, but b dot class file is stored in which folder? In pack2 only. But pack2 is a subfolder of pack1. Here you can see the subfolder concept. Okay, you know, this is pack1 is a folder. Okay, package is, assume that package is nothing but a folder. So inside one folder you can put any number of subfolders no. Okay, inside one main folder we can put any number of subfolders as well as files no. And inside that subfolder we can put any number of subfolders and files no. Like that, here also same thing. Here pack2 is a subfolder of pack1, means subpackage of main package pack1. Package is nothing but folder. So for first pack1, one main folder is created. Under that pack2 is saved, means stored. So under main package pack1 we have sub package pack2. Again under this or In pack2, we have the class that is b dot class file. See here why it is like this is pack2 is a subpackage of pack1, and inside this subpackage I have class b. Okay, when I execute this, when I compile this one, that is java c minus d dot b dot java internally in the current directory, the scenario is like this. When you execute this program, you can see this one. So main folder is pack1, under that subfolder is pack2, under pack2 b dot class file is stored because of subpackage, because pack2 is a subpackage of main package pack1, because b is a class under pack2, no, under the subpackage pack2, no. That's why b dot class file is stored in pack2. Again pack2 is there in pack1. So this is the subpackage concept. So output is we are executing class b, no. So next execution also important here. How do we execute subpackages is same. Directly I can't access b dot class file, no. To access b dot class file, it is there in pack2, no. Directly if you execute java pack2 dot b, means it is not executed. Why? Because pack2 is not independent, it is there in pack1. That's why pack2 is accessed with pack1 only. That's why we should follow this link while executing the program. That's why b dot class file is there in pack2, pack2 is there in pack1. That's why when you want to execute this program java, how do we execute? pack1 dot pack2 dot b. So b is there in pack1 dot pack2. Directly I can't access. Like system class is there in java dot lang, no? Directly I can't access with lang package. I have to access java dot lang dot this one system. Like that here also. So this b is accessed with pack2 and pack1. That's why when you execute this subpackages java pack1 dot pack2 dot b, then the output is this b dot class file is executed and the output is subpackage pack2. So package is assumed that package is nothing but folder. Like that under one package, under one folder we can put any number of subfolders, and inside subfolder we can put any number of classes. This is one scenario with respect to folders and files. Here folder is nothing but package and files are nothing but classes. This is or one other scenario is vertically also we can go. Inside one main folder I can put subfolder, again under subfolder I can put again one more subfolder, like that. At the end we must put one classes. Okay, so this is the subpackages concept. For subpackages you have to take one main package and one subpackage. This is the subpackage syntax, and this and again when you execute the subpackages you should follow like this. Okay, b can be accessed with pack1 dot pack2 only. So with these packages are completed, again tomorrow I will explain these packages in depth. Okay, in the first 10 or 15 minutes. After that I will explain access modifiers. Please execute the packages programs, otherwise you can't understand the concept of packages. Okay, in the lab hours please execute the packages programs.